Sandall Park is located in a suburb of Doncaster called Wheatley. It is thought to mean clearing where wheat is grown, and it was absorbed into Doncaster in 1914. Sandal is thought to mean sand and hall, meaning nook corner of land. The land here was originally a brickworks until 1841. The cafe used to be two cottages owned by the Frost family. Mr. William Frost first opened a cafe at the back of one of his cottages. They were demolished in 1956. The lake was a result of clay extraction for the bricks. There were actually several ponds, but two were combined to become the lake. When war broke out, the lake was opened as a park, and boats were put onto the water. It is now known locally and affectionately as the Boating Lake, and Sandall Park today is 69 acres in size, making it one of the largest parks in all of Doncaster.